Hey guys, how's it going? Josh Annarelli here with MarineMax in St. Pete, standing on our newest listing, a 2023 Sea Ray 350 SLX Outboard. This boat's powered by twin 400 Mercury Verados with 120 hours and Mercury warranty remaining until 11/21 of 2027. The 350 SLX Outboard is not just a Sea Ray, it's an entertaining platform. This boat has ample seating throughout. Starting in the aft area here, you have this oversized bench seat with a pull-out bench seat underneath, giving you plenty of viewing space while sitting at the sandbar. As we step into the boat here, this is my favorite entertaining zone. You have this giant L-shaped lounger here, accompanied by a lounger on the starboard side, this oversized teak table for all your dining needs. And just adjacent here, you're gonna have this Kenyan grill, your refrigerator, and then you have a cooler conveniently stored down below. And as we move up to the helm, you have your command center here on the 350 SLX Outboard. You have twin Simrad multifunction displays, your Simrad VHF, all your standard rocker switches for your mostly used items, anchor lights, running lights, bilge pumps, etc. And within the screen, you have controls of the color spectrum of the boat. So you can light this boat in red, green, blue, and much, much more, as well as you have controls for multiple other aspects of the boat, including your bilge, fresh water, and extended shore shade. This boat's paired with the Mercury 400s like we mentioned earlier, but also incorporates a Mercury joystick. So that incorporates the skyhook technology, the anchoring technology, as well as joystick docking. And before we move up to the bow, I want to point out we have a port side berth on this vessel and a starboard side head completely separate from each other. And as we make our way up to the bow, you're going to see this spacious seating area. You can configure in two different ways. You can have seating facing each other, or add this filler cushion here to make two large loungers. Underneath each of these seats, you have plenty of storage. And forward of that, you have your windlass anchor hauler, which has controls at the helm, as well as a hands-free remote up at the bow. Thank you for taking the time to watch this walkthrough video. Again, this is a 2023 Sea Ray 350 SLX Outboard listed by MarineMax in St. Pete. My name is Josh Annarelli, and I look forward to helping you get on the water soon.